G'day everyone, in this video here we're going to be looking to see if a point is the intersection of two lines. So essentially, is that the equation or the result or the answer of those simultaneous equations is another way of putting it. So we've got here, and what we need to do for this is we need to substitute in the x value into both equations and just see if it comes out with the same answer or y value. And if it is the same as what point it's saying, it's all good. Alright, so you'll see here we've got a few equations here. I like to label them all, and I've already done a bit of setting up here on what we need to do just to save a little bit of time. So I label this equation 1 and 2. It's kind of good just to do this, not to get confused between equations and what you're substituting in, and to show clearly you're working out. So with this first one, we need to see if it's these two intersect at the point 1, -2. So how we do this is we substitute x is equal to 1 into both of our equations and see if it comes up with -2. So I'm going to subs x equal to 1 into equation 1. So we get y is equal to 3 times 1 minus 5. So 3 times 1 is 3, and then we take away 5, that's -2. And that's the answer that we're looking for, -2 as the y value, so that's all good. Alright, we do the same in 2. So hopefully you can nearly do this by observation just by looking at it, but I'll write it out for you. Y is equal to -2 times 1, so it's equal to -2. So that means that equations 1 and 2, they both intersect at the point given. So they intersect, and the point given was 1, -2. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for our second one here. So, but here we're looking at the point 2, -8. So instead of substituting in 1, we're going to substitute in 2 to these equations and see if it comes out with an answer of -8. So we do our first one. We've got y is equal to -4 times 2. Okay, yet again you could probably do this by observation. It comes out as -8. Then we've got x is equal to 2 into equation 4 that we've listed there. So we do 3 times 2 minus y is equal to 2. So this involves some rearranging. Mightn't be able to do this by observation. So it becomes 6 minus y is equal to 2. Now we need to get y by itself. So first we can minus 6 from both sides. So minus y is equal to -4. Then we can multiply both sides by -1 to get our answer. Y is equal to 4. This doesn't equal -8, which doesn't match up. So then we would write a statement. Sorry, I've run out of room, so I won't write it, but you would write that these two don't intersect at this point. Okay, so hopefully this clarifies and lets you see at how to find if a point is the intersection of two equations. So hopefully this helps, and good luck.